Okay, have you ever like walked into your house and it just smells really bad?
Oh, yeah.
And it's not like the trash or, something died.
Right.
Like it's that sewer smell.
Ew, it's the worst.
So that's what we're diving deep into today. Those smells.
Your plumbing is trying to tell you something.
Yeah, it is. And so how do we figure out what it's telling us?
That's what we'll try to get to today.
Yeah, so like what are the most common culprits?
Well, one of the things that we often see is dry P-traps.
Dry P-traps.
You know those curved pipes?
Oh, under the sink?
Under the sink, exactly.
Okay, yeah.
And so they're designed to hold water, and it creates a seal
Right.
that stops the sewer gas from creaking up.
Okay.
But if that drain isn't used very much,
Like in a guest bathroom.
like in a guest bathroom, or even like, in drier climates,
Oh, okay.
that water can evaporate in as little as a week.
So it's not uncommon at all.
No, not at all.
Interesting. Okay, what else can cause this?
Another possibility is cracked or damaged sewer lines.
Okay, so like a big crack.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be a huge crack, it can be small.
Okay,
Even a little bit of damage can allow that sewer gas, which is under pressure, to escape
I see.
into your house, and it'll find the easiest way out.
Okay, and what about the vents? Like I just always think about pipes taking the water away.
Right. So those vents are kind of like the exhaust system.
Okay.
They allow the sewer gas to escape outside,
I see.
to the roof usually, and it prevents pressure from building up in the pipes.
So if they're blocked.
If they're blocked, which they can get blocked by leaves or snow or even a bird's nest,
Oh, wow.
then the gas has nowhere else to go and it comes back inside.
Okay, what about just a really slow drain?
Yeah, that can be a source too.
Really?
The gunk that's causing the clog can trap the smelly gases,
Oh.
or a partial blockage can create a little backup and allow the gas to escape through other drains that are connected.
Oh, so what's the first thing someone should do if they smell this, like...
Follow your nose.
Okay.
Try to pinpoint where the smell is the strongest. Is it the bathroom sink? Is it a basement floor drain? Is it the kitchen? That'll give you your first clue.
So we followed our nose. What's next?
Next, run water down all the drains,
All of them.
especially the ones you don't use very often.
Okay.
Like those floor drains, gas sinks, tubs, you're trying to refill any P-traps that might have dried out.
So just get that barrier back up.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. What about anything else to look for or listen for?
Yeah, you want to pay attention to how your drains are behaving. Are they draining slowly?
Okay.
Do you hear any gurgling sounds when water is running nearby?
Gurgling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that can signal a clog or a problem with the venting.
Okay. And at what point should someone call in a professional?
If the smell persists,
Okay.
or if it seems to be coming from inside your walls or under the floors,
Oh,
that's when you need to get some help.
okay.
It could indicate a more serious issue, like a broken sewer line or a blocked vent that you just can't fix yourself.
So this isn't just about a gross smell, right? Like this can affect our health.
Yeah, for sure.
So what are we talking about here?
So sewer gas is made up of a lot of stuff, including methane and hydrogen sulfide.
Okay.
Now, while a quick whiff might just be offensive,
Yeah.
prolonged exposure can cause headaches, nausea,
Wow.
even respiratory issues. And plus, if the smell is a sign of a leak or hidden clog,
Right.
ignoring it could lead to even more damage to your home later on.
So let's talk about how to keep our homes smelling fresh. How to avoid these headaches.
Okay.
What are some preventative measures?
One of the simplest things is to just regularly run water in all your fixtures.
Even the ones we don't use.
Even the ones you don't use often, just running the water for a few seconds every week can keep that P-trap seal intact.
Easy enough.
Easy peasy.
What else?
Also, it's worth checking to make sure your plumbing system has proper venting, especially in older homes.
Okay.
It might be a good idea to just have a plumber check your venting to make sure it's adequate and clear.
So regular checkup can't hurt.
Absolutely. Routine plumbing inspections can catch these small problems before they become smelly nightmares.
Or expensive nightmares.
Or expensive nightmares, for sure.
Well, thinking about all these risks to our health and home, what is one small thing you could do today to be more aware of your plumbing and the air you're breathing at home?
Yeah, it could be something as simple as pouring some water down that basement drain.
Give it some thought.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening,
Thanks for having me.
and we'll see you next time on the Deep Dive.
See ya.
Hey folks, it's Jim from Aya Quick. If you smell sewer gas in your home, don't ignore it. That funk could mean a serious plumbing issue. Call us today at 314-429-7131. Mention this podcast and we'll knock $20 off your service. Tell them Jim sent you.